The goal of the Mission 43 employment program is to help transitioning service members, veterans, and their spouses find meaningful employment in the state of Idaho. We're not just looking to help you find a job, but somewhere where you thrive and enjoy going to work every day. Since the beginning of Mission 43, we have been in partnership with Hire Heroes USA, who is a nationally recognized nonprofit that empowers military members and their spouses to find employment. In this partnership, we have the resources in place to provide you with personalized service to help you find meaningful employment in Idaho.
When you get in touch with your transition specialist at Hire Heroes USA, you can be sure that you're going to have someone in your corner that's going to educate you and help you walk you through the process of properly tailoring a resume, creating that framework to translate your military experience, responsibilities, and accomplishments into civilian understood terms. I tell every client that we speak to that networking is key. So my job as the employer coordinator is to kind of break down the barrier between the civilian employer and the client that we have. And I just do my best to try and make introductions to qualified clients that we have that are interested in specific roles throughout the state of Idaho.
Reach out to our team today and utilize the resources that the Mission 43 employment team has in place for you. Make life after the military in Idaho a reality.